Hi guys, welcome back to the Style of Living, and today I'm going to give you a garden tour. Enjoy. Hi kitty. Hi. Hi kitty cat. Kitty cat. Hi kitty cat. I know. Yes. So here's Louise. Oh dear. These are my mom's roses. And if you guys remember, Silas Marner, I planted this last year. I did a video. And more of Louise Odier. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Beautiful, beautiful rose. They're all out now. And I think this is Baptisia. Here you go. I don't know what this is. Supposedly it's like a weed in my garden, but it's beautiful with the roses, so I just kept them along with them. Very windy this morning, but look how beautiful they are. Need to do some pruning, as you can see. So I usually prune when I give most of the roses away to my friends and co-workers. At least they can enjoy it. This is so beautiful. Look at this. This is only a year old and I planted this. Look, it's fizzling out already. But still, I have new buds that are about to bloom. I need to deadhead them. Around here, need to do a lot of pruning. These are actually my bachelor buttons and they're about to bloom. Some of my poppies and larkspur is down there. It's right there. This guy right here. First time I grew the larkspur. Supposedly there's snapdragons, but I'm not sure if it survived. I think I overplanted, as you can see. This side are my alliums. I'm going to put it on the description on what it was. This is Moonlight in Paris. I had 5 of them here and they're potted and they still keep on coming back every year. But just so you know, they are prone. They will eventually will look like this. They are prone to thrips. And they like light colored flowers. Look at that. I don't know what insect that is, but the lighter the rose, the more they are prone to insects. It's so beautiful. This is Moonlight in Paris. Garden, those are the tulips that fizzled out. It wasn't even worth videoing it because we had a heat wave, a 3-day heat wave in the spring. So all the tulips fizzled out, and we had a very, very warm winter. These are my mom's. I had a few of them. I'm going to prune them so we can get more flowers. Really just deadhead and remove these guys, you know. And this is, I forgot what this was. I keep the tags. This is Rainbow Sorbet. Beautiful, right? They don't really have a scent, but it's beautiful. Bell by David Austin. It's beautiful, beautiful. My lavender that came back from last year. This was gifted to me. These are sedum. Not sure if it's autumn joy. There's an unwanted it looks like a little tree growing there. My lilies are here. They're all in full bloom. My Dusty Miller from last year, I have to repot them. They're actually gonna give me some flowers anytime soon. So this whole section is a work in progress. This is going to my front gate. The cherry Yuki Dutsia is about to fizzle out, and this is my steps going up the house. I started some coleus. So this is actually okay. So if it starts growing a flower, I usually pinch them so it will get taller. I have some geraniums here. Love the color. And my eggplants that I overwintered. I have lemon, lilies, pepper, strawberry. Oh my god, look at my strawberries. Yay! Yay! Look at these. Scarlet strawberries. It's amazing. They're the sweetest strawberries I've ever had. And peppers that I overwintered. My roses, David Austin roses. I need to do some pruning on that side. My rhododendron, I had to repot it. More geranium here. This is my mom's from last year. Came back. And this is, I don't remove the tags because I forget it. This is Double Take Quince, and it's by Proven Winners. Hello, Proven Winners. I have all your quinces. I make a video out of that. This is Hugh. This is one of the Amazing Daisies, I think, from Proven Winners. Another Proven Winner daisies that look like a mop head. I forgot what it's called, but I still have the container, I think, so we can get back to that. Most of the poppies came back. I'll show you a picture of what it looks like. More poppies. Not poppies, I mean peony. They're all there. They all came back. And columbine. My hostas are back. More peony. Ito or Ito peony. I have one bud. I think this is Mr. Lincoln, if I'm not mistaken. More of the Louise Odia roses. You can see the peony on that side. that came out. My hellebore. This is Baron Prevost. If you guys remember my unboxing from last year, this is Baron Prevost. This is not sponsored, but I got this from Antique Rose Emporium in Texas. But it's so beautiful. They're not big roses, but they have a sweet smell to it, and it's really, really beautiful. Baron Prevost. My Lady of Shalott by David Austin. It's very, very tall, and I just have it in a pot. The leaves actually protect them during the winter, so now that spring is happening, I'm going to clear all of this out and put some fertilizer and some mulch. These guys. Sweet William. After 2 years. Carl Rosenfeld. Peony. Peony. Look at these peonies, guys, early in the morning. Look how pretty they are. I hope the camera is giving you guys justice. I'd rather take it now before the bugs come out. Those are my rhodos about to bloom. Allium looks really sad. The other ones I had in the other side of the garden. Another one back there. A different peony. This is called Heal. Not focusing. It's about to bloom. There it goes. Oh, my peony. This is my beautiful Clematis. I showed this to you in my video last year. I'll just put up the names. I think one of them is E.H.E. Young, and another one is Dr. Rupel, I think. This is probably Dr. Rupel, and That's probably H.E. Young. You guys can just Google it. There's another one here. This was pink. It turned into white. And Carl Rosenfeld. More Carl Rosenfeld. They came back. Oh my goodness. I think this is my sorbet peony. Yoni. I don't know what this is. But yep. That's all of them, guys. Look at this. Another sorbet peony. They're all blooming. They're about 3 weeks early, I think. Maybe a week early. There you go. Thank you so much for watching. And I'm sorry we're late on releasing this video because all of my tulips are gone. Did not even get a chance to bloom at all. If ever, I probably had one pot that really looked nice because it was a late blooming tulip. But anyway, if you have any suggestions or if you've learned anything from this video, I would appreciate if you can click the like button and subscribe so we can make more videos for YouTube. And again, this is Leah. I'm signing off from the Styled Living, and happy spring. Don't forget, like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out, everybody. Happy spring.